Did you know most automatic cars fail not because they're bad cars, but because of habits drivers repeat every day? That's right, your transmission is one of the most expensive parts of your car, and just a few small mistakes can cost thousands in repairs, or even total failure. In this video, I'm going to show you the most common mistakes that silently destroy automatic transmissions, and how to avoid them before it's too late. Stick around, because even experienced drivers are making these errors without realizing it. Let's dive in. Mistake number 1. This one shift can kill your transmission. Here's a dangerous habit most drivers don't even think about: shifting from drive to reverse before the car has fully stopped. Inside your transmission, gears and clutch packs are spinning in one direction. Forcing them to change instantly creates a violent mechanical shock. Over time, this wears down friction materials and weakens internal components. Even modern automatics with electronic controls can't prevent this damage. You might notice delayed engagement or jerky shifts later. This is the silent damage building over years. The rule is simple: always stop completely, pause for a second, then shift to protect your transmission. Mistake number 2. The lifetime fluid lie destroying automatics. If you've ever been told your transmission fluid is lifetime, don't believe it. Transmission fluid works under extreme heat, pressure, and friction every time you drive. Over time, it breaks down and becomes contaminated with tiny metal particles. Once that happens, it can no longer properly lubricate or cool your transmission. Clutches start slipping, valves stick, and seals harden, causing serious damage. Many manufacturers label fluid as lifetime to reduce maintenance during warranty periods, but real-world driving destroys it much faster. Regular fluid changes are cheaper than rebuilding a transmission, and they could save you thousands. Mistake number 3. This hill habit is cooking your gearbox. Many drivers don't realize holding the car on a hill with the accelerator is slowly destroying their transmission. When you do this, the torque converter slips constantly to prevent rollback, generating extreme heat. Heat breaks down transmission fluid fast, reducing lubrication and protection. Overheated fluid causes clutch packs to wear prematurely and shifts to feel rough. Some drivers repeat this dozens of times in traffic every day without realizing the damage. The solution is simple: always use the brake or parking brake when stopping on slopes. This small change can save your gearbox from silent, long-term damage. Mistake number 4. That loud clunk means damage. Ever hear a loud clunk when shifting into park while the car is still moving? That's not normal. It's real damage happening inside your transmission. A small metal part called the parking pawl is designed to lock the transmission only when the car is fully stopped. Repeat it often and the pawl can bend or break, which can make your car roll unexpectedly even in park. On slopes, the stress multiplies. Repairs are expensive because the transmission must be opened. Stop fully and apply the parking brake before shifting to park. Mistake number 5. You're overloading your transmission without knowing. Many drivers overload their vehicles without realizing it's killing their transmission. Extra passengers, cargo, or towing beyond limits forces the gearbox to work harder. Heat quickly breaks down transmission fluid, reducing lubrication and protection. Clutch packs and gears wear prematurely, even on short trips. Cars not designed for towing suffer the most. Respecting your vehicle's weight limits and towing capacity is critical. Following this simple rule can prevent expensive repairs and extend the life of your transmission. Mistake number 6. Revving like this is pure transmission abuse. Revving the engine while in drive with the brakes pressed is pure abuse. The engine produces power, but the wheels aren't moving, forcing the torque converter to absorb all that energy. This creates intense heat in the transmission fluid immediately. Over time, seals weaken, clutches wear, and internal damage builds silently. The fix? Shift into neutral if you need to rev the engine. This simple habit prevents thousands in unnecessary transmission repairs.
Mistake number 7. Cold driving equals silent transmission killer.
Cold transmission fluid is thick and sluggish, which reduces lubrication through the transmission's internal passages. Accelerating hard before the fluid warms up increases friction and wear on vulnerable components. Transmissions take longer than engines to reach optimal temperature. Repeated cold abuse leads to delayed engagement, rough shifting, and long-term seal damage. Many drivers ignore this because the car seems fine at first. Gentle driving for the first few minutes after starting your car allows fluid to circulate properly. This small habit can dramatically extend transmission life. Mistake number 8. Ignore these signs and your car will stop moving. Automatic transmissions almost always give warnings before failing completely. Slipping, delayed engagement, rough shifts, or burning smells are all red flags. Ignoring them turns small issues into major, expensive problems. Minor problems could become full rebuilds if neglected. By the time your car stops moving, repair costs can skyrocket. Transmissions rarely fail without warning. It's just that drivers overlook the signs. Listening early can save thousands and prevent sudden breakdowns. Treat these warning signs seriously, and your car will thank you. Mistake number 9. Not using the parking brake in an automatic car. Not using the parking brake in an automatic car may seem harmless, but it can cause serious long-term damage. Many drivers rely solely on the park gear, assuming it will hold the car in place, but the parking pawl inside the transmission bears all the stress. Over time, this small metal piece can wear out, bend, or even break, leading to expensive transmission repairs. On slopes or uneven surfaces, the car can roll slightly, putting extra strain on the transmission and increasing the risk of accidents. Using the parking brake every time distributes the holding force properly between the brakes and transmission. It also prevents unnecessary wear on the transmission and ensures your car remains securely in place. Developing the habit of always engaging the parking brake is a simple step that can save thousands in repairs and keep your car safer. That's all for this video. Automatic transmissions are incredibly reliable if you treat them right. Most failures are completely preventable with better habits and proper maintenance. Stop making these silent mistakes. Pay attention to warning signs, and your car could last far longer than most drivers expect. If this video saved you from making even one of these mistakes, hit the like button. It really helps the channel. Don't forget to subscribe for more car tips that save you money, not dealership excuses. And comment below, which of these habits were you guilty of? Let us know and let's help each other drive smarter.